A chickpea salad is a nutritious and tasty option for a hearty meal. In addition to being rich in fiber and protein, the salad is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals important to our body. In this recipe, we combine chickpeas, tomatoes and cucumber to create a refreshing and nutritious salad that is easy to prepare and can be served as a main course or side dish. These are the benefits of this recipe. Rich in fiber and protein. Source of important vitamins and minerals. Helps maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Refreshing and tasty. Did you like that recipe? Be sure to try it at home and share it with your friends and family. Want more healthy and delicious recipes like this? Now purchase our ebook with several options to vary your menu and maintain a healthy diet. Let's go to the ingredients of this wonderful recipe. 2 cups cooked chickpeas. 1 chopped tomato. 1 chopped cucumber. 1 chopped onion. 1/4 cup chopped parsley. 1/4 cup olive oil. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Salt and black pepper to taste. These are the benefits of ingredients. Chickpeas, rich in fiber, protein, vitamins and essential minerals such as iron, magnesium and zinc. Tomato, source of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium and lycopene, which has antioxidant properties. Cucumber, low in calories and rich in water, is a great source of vitamins K and C, besides having anti-inflammatory properties. Parsley, rich in vitamins A and C, besides being a source of antioxidants. Now let's go to the way to prepare this healthy delight. In a large bowl, mix the chickpeas, tomato, cucumber, onion and parsley. In another bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, salt and black pepper. Add the sauce to the salad and mix well. Serve immediately or refrigerate to cool before serving. Did you like that recipe? Now purchase our ebook with several options to vary your menu and maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Don't miss this opportunity. If you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel and comment below what you found.